My name is Dinsha Unikrishnan. Okay, so all of you welcome back here to our new academy here. I like to see you all of you, but unfortunately, what we have to do due to this pandemic situation, we can't meet each other. So again, we can start our virtual classes. Okay, we can work together. And we can work for our great success. All of you please cooperate with me. So can we start our class? Now, before start the class, I am going to introduce few words. You please listen that words. Okay? Only few words. Maybe you know that. The first one, fertile. The first word, fertile. Fertile, already you studied that. EVS chapters also you studied that. Fertile. What's the meaning of fertile? Able to produce. Fertile means able to produce. The second word, sanctuary. That word is very familiar. Sanctuary. What's the meaning? A place where birds and animals are kept. A place where a bird and animal. Birds and animals were kept. That is sanctuary. The first time I told that fertile. Fertile means able to produce. Second word, sanctuary. What's the meaning? A place where birds and animals kept. And next one, kingdom. That you know. Kingdom. What's the meaning of kingdom? Country ruled by a king or a queen. What's the meaning of kingdom? Country ruled by a king or queen. What is that? One more also there, that is adequate. What is the meaning of adequate? Adequate means enough. Adequate means enough. Got it? First word, fertile, sanctuary, kingdom, and what's the last word? Adequate. Only 4 words. I think maybe you got that. Fertile, sanctuary, adequate, and kingdom. Got it that? Okay. So now I am going to give summary of the chapter. You please listen here properly. Okay. Summary of the chapter. Listen. Falcons can fly. That is the name of our chapter. What is the name of our chapter? Falcons can fly. Okay. Listen. A long time ago, there lived a very kind-hearted king. He was very fond of animals and birds. And he had a sanctuary. He had a sanctuary in his kingdom. He never had any animals or birds. And also, he hated and punished those who did that. Those who had or attacked animals or birds, the king punished them. So the visitors from different countries coming and visit the sanctuary at the king. And one day, one of the visitors gave a gift to our king. What is that? That is 2 falcons. One day, a visitor gave a gift. What is the gift? 2 falcons. then he could, or he wants to see that how the falcons can fly at great speed. He wants to see that. Then suddenly the king called the trainer and told or ordered. The king ordered. King ordered, please train the falcons to fly. The trainer, the next day almost, the trainer started to give the training to fly. But what happened here? The trainer could not give the training, or he could not able to give the training to fly. Then he came back to the court, or he came and met the king and told, sorry, I can't do that. The king told, oh, don't worry about that. I will send another trainer from Kabul. Then he sent another one. He sent another person from Kabul. That second trainer, he told, I should do that. Within a week, I should give the training. Then after 2 days, the second trainer came back and told, falcons are ready to fly. The king surprised, amazed. How you did? Are you a magician? Then the king told, the bird trainer told, no, I'm an ordinary bird trainer, but I can understand birds. So suddenly the king and the trainer went to the tree. Where in that tree our falcons are there. The king came there. Then suddenly our trainer told to the two persons, two men are there. The trainer told them, please cut the branch of the tree. When the king reached the tree, nearby the tree, the two men, they cut the branch of the tree. Suddenly the falcons fly away at great speed. The king surprised. Then the king asked, why did you cut the branch of tree? Trainer replied, if we get a chance to do something, we all are, or we all can do something. If we are getting all the facilities or what we need, if we get that, we never to do anything. So nowadays, our parents are protecting over, give all the things what they need, all the things the parents are giving to or providing to our children. So they never allowed to do anything by themselves. So parents, you are also, please don't give over protection to our children. They can do, they are able to do something by themselves. That is the message from the chapter. I think maybe you can understand the chapter. Now I am going to read the chapter. Please listen. Okay? The page number 2. Falcons can fly. Just I am going to read. Listen that. Long ago, in the fertile land of Janakpura, there lived a king who was known for his kind heart. He was day, a visitor brought two young falcons as presents for the king. Falcons are found all across the world, although two he brought from Kabul. Falcons are best known for their ability to fly. See once again, long ago in the fertile land of Jempura, we already learned that word fertile. What is the meaning of fertile? Able to produce strong plants. That is fertile. So long ago, the fertile land of Jempura. What is the name of that kingdom? Jempura or Janakapura. That is in Malayalam, Janakapura. There lived a king who was known for his kind heart. There was a king. What is the specialty of that king? He was very kind heart. He was not only kind to fellow human beings, but was full of love for birds and animals. He was very kind to birds and animals. He had a huge bird sanctuary. Sanctuary means and it is there in the textbook itself. Please look at there. A place where birds and animals are kept, safe and cared for. That is sanctuary. So the king had a huge bird sanctuary in his capital and had ordered that king ordered it. What he ordered? No one should kill animals and birds in his kingdom. No one should kill animals and birds in his kingdom. So you children, you also please never disturb animals and birds. Okay, that you please keep in your mind. Okay, and then visitors from different parts of Asia would often visit his kingdom just to meet this kind king. So the visitors from different parts of Asia, different countries, the visitors are coming there, and they came and met our king. One day, a visitor brought two young falcons. Falcons, you know, and meaning also there. See that a bird which has long pointed wings and can fly very fast. That is falcons. So one day, one of the visitors came and gave the one gift. What is that? Two young falcons as presents for the king. Falcons are found all across the world, although the two he brought were from Kabul. The two falcons from Kabul. Falcons are best known for their ability to fly. See, that is the specialty of falcons. They can fly very speed. They can fly at very speed. That is the specialty of falcons. Clear? And the next one, next paragraph also please listen. The king wanted falcons to be looked after in the best possible manner. He called the bird trainer and said, these birds have come from a place with a different climate. Give them all they need to be comfortable. Make sure that they remain well fed and healthy. So the king ordered these falcons came from different country and also from the different climate. So you please provide all the facilities to them. Clear this first? I think clear that all of you read this three paragraph 3 times and learn this new word also. Okay? Can we wind up today? All of you, again one more time I tell you that please read the chapter. Okay? Thank you all of you.